Sometimes it is needed to create your own new wire and modify its attributes or properties based on your requirements. Properties of wire types such as line type, color, line weight, and so on. To create a wire type from the Modify Wire Type drop-down in the Edit Wire Numbers panel of the Schematic tab, choose the Create Edit Wire Type tool. The Create Edit Wire Type dialog box displays the list of wire types used in the active drawing and the list of layer names. It also shows the properties of wires such as color, size, and user-defined properties of wire in different columns of the grid area. As you can see in different columns, the properties of wires like color, size, wire numbering, and user-defined are available here. The first column is named Used, which indicates that the currently used wire types in a drawing. A blank value in Used column indicates that the drawing consists of layer name, but at the present time no wires are drawn on that layer. In the Wire Color field, you can specify your desired color for wire. In this column, you can write the name of the color. Also, it is possible to edit or delete the content of this column. To do so, just click on the field and do it. In the Size column, you can enter the size of wire that you want. For example, the value 25 in this column shows that the 25 is the gauge or size of the wire. Also, it is possible to edit or delete this field. In the wire numbering column, you can decide whether to set wire numbers or not. Of this column, when you click on its row, the cell changes into a drop-down list. If you choose Yes option from the list, the wire number will be inserted into the wires of that wire layer. Selecting No option means that the wire numbers will not be assigned to the wires of chosen wire layer.